Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making chow mein. You will need 6 ounces of chow mein, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 pound of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3/4 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of bok choy, 1/2 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 cup of sugar snap peas, 1 green onion, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. In a bowl, whisk together the sesame oil, soy sauce, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. Coat your chicken with the soy sauce mixture, then cover with plastic wrap and place in your refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 20 minutes. In another bowl, combine your chicken broth, oyster sauce, and sugar. Mix well and set it aside until later. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then cook your noodles for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, drain off the water, then rinse your noodles with cold water and set them aside until later. Add the canola oil to your wok and bring to medium heat. Now add your chicken and cook for 6 minutes. After the chicken is done, remove it from the wok and set it aside. Now add the garlic, zucchini, carrots, peas, and bok choy and saute for 3 minutes. Now add your onions and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Return the chicken to the pan, add the noodles and sauce, and continue to cook for an additional 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it is ready to serve. This chow mein is a quick, easy, and delicious meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.